Hey guys, welcome back. So if you guys like girly princessy dies, you're gonna love this one. This is a mirror from Andy's shop, and oh my goodness, you guys need this one. It comes with a lot of layers. Here you go. I didn't use this one, but you can. So you get the outside, the little trim with the little hearts. So freaking cute. A lot of layering pieces. Then you get the handle and the butterfly. Super cute. So look, I made this one first. And the size, it all depends how far you put the handle, I guess. But this one here is 7 3/4 by 4. And this die is gorgeous. Look at this. I use my Gorgeous Girls. This is a kit that my girl Amy has sent me. Just super cute. I love it. And she is layered a few times. So what I did, I added some flowers, a little butterfly. And then this one I did a gold handle with this little heart. And then the back is like that. So freaking cute. Just, oh my God, like imagine a little girl's party or a little princessy theme. I don't know. I just love everything girly. So we got that one. This makes also a good what you call it, card. I should have made a card. Okay, then this one, look how pretty. Oh my God, I love it. So this one I embossed this layer here, but you can't hardly see it. But it's embossed, and then she's again popped up with some dimension. I added some flowers. This one here, the pink, everything is pink with that little flower bling. I added this butterfly. And this piece here, I did it in silver. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like very shiny. And in the back, I just did that, and that's the butterfly it comes with. So you can write your message. You could turn these into tags. Like, how freaking cute. Like, I love this die. Look how cute. So girly. I'm loving it. So I will put the link in the description bar if you guys are interested. And let me see if I did this one the same size. This one is 7.5. So you see, it all depends how far up you put the little handle. But yeah, I just made these real quick. Just made 2 quick ones so you guys can see. I hope you guys like it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.